The first time we meet you will be at the One Stop Clinic at the Mermaid Centre in Truro. This is Cornwall's dedicated breast cancer care unit. Its screening programme is judged to be amongst the best in the country, and it was recently endorsed by Breakthrough Breast Cancer for its service pledge commitment to the patients of Cornwall. At the One Stop Clinic, you will undergo your triple assessment, which comprises a clinical examination, mammography and tissue sampling. This is all completed during one visit and could take up to 4 hours, so please make time for this.
Hello, my name's Frances and I'm one of the specialist breast care nurses here at the Mermaid Centre at Trelisk. We are here to offer help, information and to coordinate your care throughout the course of your treatment. Once you've undergone your triple assessment, we'll meet with you that same day to explain what happens next. We will give you a folder which contains lots of helpful information. We'll answer any questions you have. We're here to support you. By the time you leave the One Stop Clinic, you will know your diagnosis and your treatment plan, and we will begin to arrange dates for treatment to begin. You can also continue to use our service for longer if you wish.
When I was diagnosed, I felt as though my life was over, I think. I think cancer is a very big word for all of us. But time moves on, and I know it seems a very long time when we're starting off the treatments and you've got the surgery, then the chemotherapy and the radiotherapy, and it all takes maybe 6 months in total to get over. But now it's 18 months down the line for me, and I just can't believe where the time's gone. And I'm so positive and I'm happy, and it seems like a bad dream now in comparison to what it was when it all began. And the light is there at the end of the tunnel for all of us, and it just takes time for us to actually get there. And now life is back to normal. I'm at work, I've got hair, and life just moves on. When I was first diagnosed, I had awful feelings and anxiety, I suppose, but the process you go through with all your appointments, getting results, sometimes results take a bit of time and it's frustrating, but the process does work and you get through it, and it is best that it's all stage by stage because it helps you cope with the information that you're receiving. Too much information all at once I don't think you could actually cope with, and if you take it as a stage process, then you manage to deal with the information. It's very important when you go for your appointments that you have a partner or a friend sitting with you, because you don't always remember what the consultant says, because I think you don't want to remember, and maybe you don't want to ask questions either because you're so concerned about what the answers are going to be. So to have a partner there or a friend is vital to make sure that your interests are looked after and they can ask questions on your behalf if you can't think of anything to ask. When I was diagnosed, I was given a file. The Mermaid gave me a file which contains loads of information about your operation, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, the support groups and everything. And that file gives you a font of information to use and digest at your leisure, not all at once maybe, depending on the person, but as a store of reference to begin you off. It's very simple, understandable, and was an amazing aid to somebody being diagnosed with breast cancer.